Growth hormone, it controls the growth of our body. The excess secretion of growth hormone leads to some of the problem, like one is gigantism. What is gigantism? If excess of growth hormone is released, that person, especially during the child age, during the child, or what do you call, in the early period of the growth, they grow like anything. That is gigantism. And it's reverse, hyposecretion. If it is not released in proper quantity, under secretion or the less secretion, it leads to dwarfism. It leads to dwarfism. Dwarfism means wherein the growth will not take place and such kids will be small in height. They will not grow. Their age grows, but physically they will not grow. That is dwarfism and gigantism related to growth hormone. Next is ACTH, adrenocorticotropic hormone. Adrenocorticotropic hormone. This has its influence on adrenal gland. There is one more gland called as adrenal gland. So it influences it stimulates the release of the adrenal secretion. So ACTH has its influence on adrenal gland. Third one, LH. LH stands for luteinizing hormone. Luteinizing hormone, and also I will take FSH. FSH is follicle stimulating hormone. Both LH and FSH, they are related to reproductive system of our body. Especially LH in case of female, it is related with the menstrual cycle. During ovulation, on 14th day of menstrual cycle, the amount of LH increases. We call it as LH surge, and as a result, the follicle ruptures and the ovum is released. That is called as ovulation. Similarly, FSH also has its role related to our reproductive system. So both these LH and FSH, they are related to reproductive system of our body. Coming to MSH. MSH means melanocyte stimulating hormone. Coming to melanocyte stimulating hormone. So it is called as MSH. Its main function is related with the pigmentation of the skin. Pigmentation of the skin. That is melanin. That is melanin. Okay. So it controls the formation of melanin and all that. So it ultimately leads to pigmentation of the skin, that is MSH. Then PRL. The full form of PRL is prolactin. Prolactin. Prolactin, it is related with lactation in female, in mother. The release of milk, that is controlled by prolactin. And then coming to TSH. TSH means thyroid stimulating hormone. Thyroid stimulating hormone.